Hello. Today we are going to work on our bibliography. We are going to create our bibliography using a website. In order to do that, we need to have our list of bibliography information in front of us. So your job was to think of a topic and find 3 resources. You should have already done that. My topic was Larry Bird. My resources were 2 books and a website. However, right now I can't remember the author of one of my books. So hopefully when I put it into this EasyBib website, it will help me find it. So to start, we're going to open up our folder for EasyBib. And I've created one called Larry Bird. I'm going to click on Bibliography to help me create my bibliography. And then here is where it gives us the different options of our different types of sources. I'm going to start with the website because websites have so much information in their little URL that I'm just going to type in Larry Bird and see if it finds the one that I used, which was the NBA.com website. So we'll type in Larry Bird and look up websites that have Larry Bird in it. And here are the results that it found. And look at that. The third one down is the website that I used. It was his bio. So I'm going to click Cite This. Now the source gave us the website title, the article name, and the date that it was accessed, which today. It doesn't tell us what the publisher or the electronic publisher. In some cases, you will be required to use resources that have that information, but today we're not going to bother with that. So we're going to hit continue. And then here is how it would cite based on the information that it has on it. The article title, it doesn't tell us the author or the publisher and the sponsor. And then it would be the date that we found it that would come up here. Create citation. And this is how it would cite our information based on the information that we had. Now we're going to cite our books. So I'm going to click on the icon that says book, and I'm going to type in Larry Bird, because that was the title of the one that we have the author for. We're going to click Cite. And now we're going to look for the name of the author, which if we go back to my list, it was written by Mark Beyer. So let's find the one that says Mark Beyer. Hey, there it is. Click Cite This. Check out the information that it finds on it. Make sure it's all correct. Mark Beyer, the name of the book, and then the publisher, which we would find on the copyright page, on the title page. So now we hit Create Citation. And there it is. And lastly, we're going to go to the book and Larry Bird Hall of Fame Basketball Superstar. Let's double check to make sure that's the title of it, since we don't know the author. Larry Bird, Hall of Fame Basketball Superstar. There it is. The more information you have, the better your chances of finding the result. And look at there it is. It was written by Jack Kavanaugh. And then we're going to cite this one as well. Double check, make sure that it has all the information. For some reason, it decided to put Jack Kavanaugh in here twice. We don't need his name in there twice. So we're going to remove one of them. Name of the book and the publisher. Create citation. Now we have the citation for that. Now if you go farther down, it shows all three of them. Well, it shows them double. I don't know why. So what we're going to do is we're going to delete the extras. I don't know why. They're in there twice. So delete the checked ones because we only had 3 sources. And now our list says the 3 sources we used, and it puts them in alphabetical order like you would on your page. Now you can share this or export it into your file, whichever you need to do based on what type of program you're using to type your paper. But for our purposes today, I'm just going to stop here.